So 2023, this is question 1 here. Okay. Using the list below, labeled angles in the space provided. Okay. So we have acute, reflex, obtuse, and supplementary. Okay. So acute here, our small one. Cross them off then as we use them. Our reflex here is our back. Yeah, obtuse is more than 90. And our supplementary. Shown below is a clock placed on a regular pentagon. Name the polygon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-sided shapes, a hexagon. Use your drawing instruments to measure the following. So we have to measure the angles and stuff. So angle A. Track it down. 0, 0 in the middle. So 0, 10, 20, 140. Length L. 38, 39 more like it. I'll change to 38. Now all our sizes might be different in this slightly from the way they're printed out and stuff. So 38. And the radius of R. So we're measuring from the center. If you want to draw lines, that makes it easier for you. Center out there. 27 I'm going to say. So, the image on the right shows a design for a computer game character based on circles. Complete the drawing of the computer game character below by locating the center of the circles. This comes up often with us. So, locating the center of a circle. We need to do chords. So, you need to draw a line from one side of the circumference to the other. Make sure it doesn't go through the center dot, roughly through the centers. Bisect the line. Compass more than halfway the line. Swing an arc each side. Swing an arc this side. So we can draw that in, and now we do a second chord as well. Bisect this chord now as well. Compass more than halfway the line. Swing an arc above and below the line. Same here on the opposite side. It gives us the X shape, and that there now is the center of our circle. Okay. So complete the drawing shown in the image on the right. So we have to complete the circle, to complete the drawing in the result. So I can draw my center lines here now for my circle. Okay. Mouth here is a radius, or is a 45 degrees, so we can use our set square. And the other side of his mouth is a 30 degrees, so we can also use our 30 degrees set square. Okay. Then we just have to draw the eye. The eye comes across here, the top of the mouth. So that's the center, and it's a radius 10. Be careful how to draw these radiuses because they're quite small, it can be difficult. So that's that part of the question there then completed. Bottom here then, so the image across shows a bowling ball sitting on a stand. Shown below, the elevation similar to a bowling stand. Complete the elevation on the right by drawing the bowling ball stand so that it's in contact with P and Q. Show all constructions clearly. Okay, if we look over here, right, if we get any point on the circle, and if we draw a straight line into the center, it's going to make a radius. Alright? So if we go down here, this is a point on the circle, draw a straight line in as a radius, and same down here. Okay, we're given those 2 points over here, P and Q. So what I'm going to do is get the radius of the circle on my compass. Radius of the circle. Put the point of the compass on P, swing an arc. Point of the compass on Q, swing an arc. Where those two arcs meet gives me the center of the circle. Drawing our circle there. So that's that first page done there of 2023 question 1 A, B, C and D.